morning, everyone. It is Thursday morning. I'm on my way to work. I was supposed to stay home because the dishwasher's finally coming in after 2.5 weeks. It's going to be installed today. But Lee's sick, so she took a day out, so no need of both of us staying home. So she'll call me and let me know what's going on. Fiasco with this dishwasher. Incredible. All I have to say is don't go to Lowe's for appliances. They screwed the whole thing up. If I hadn't been on my toes, we would have gotten screwed. But I'm heading in. There's no dash cam this morning because the battery's dead. I didn't realize that it died on me. I must have left the camera on or something. So, nothing this morning. I will get with you throughout the day. I'll let you know I'll let you know what Lee lets me know about the installation and everything, and we'll go on from there. I am in the truck heading home. Got physical therapy tonight. According to Lee, the dishwasher is in. They had to go and get an install kit, I guess, which we were told we didn't need, and the installer was told he didn't need, but he had to go back out and get it. I'll recap more of how the day went, but dishwasher is in. They didn't charge us for it, so that's a good thing. So I'm heading home, and I'll see what it looks like and all that stuff. So I got the dash cam going, so I'll run that on the way home. So dash cam. Finally got the dishwasher installed. It's all set, and Lee right now is doing the first wash. Take the whole thing.
I'll give you a tiny little bottle, yeah. Normal. Do you want heat dry?
Yeah, just a normal wash.
Well, it's heat dry, high temp, sandy units. Okay, that's normal. You got a 1 hour wash cycle too.
It's running. Well, looks like it's running. Probably take about a half an hour to an hour for it to wash, and we'll see how they come out. So hopefully they're all good. Well, I'm gonna let you go. My battery is dying, so I'll get back with you a little bit later.
2, 8, 3, 4, 7, 4. Yeah, at the top. The freestanding range. Hey! Online system error. Please try again later. What the hell is that about? No, let's try it again later.
Duka's helping me do the closing tonight. Well, that's going to be it for tonight. I'll close out the video here. Physical therapy's all done. Don't have to go back. Yes. So if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Facebook. Subscribe to my Twitter feed. You can go to my website, which is markplant.com, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.